So within the Chemilo system, there's many ways one could theoretically assess their students and provide feedback. Uh, you could evaluate the amount of performance or quality performance of collaboration within a wiki. It could be the depth of dialogue within the forums. It could be through submitting assignments through the Dropbox system. But then there is the good old-fashioned tests, and Camilo is very good at administering tests and providing feedback in many cases. So this is going to be a demonstration of a basic quiz. Basically, you would see all your quizzes listed here. We'll do this quiz called Basic Medical Terms. We click on the quiz and it will load up. Oh, and we see here actually it was written in the past, and it shows that the past performance is pretty dismal, 2%. So let's write this test again. You click Start Test, and this is an example of a short answer question. So you can type in your answer, and then you go to the next question. This is an example of a fill in the blank, so you can type in the fill in the blank answer. You have the option of having questions where there's more than one possible correct answer. And also, same thing as before, and then we'll end the tests. And we see that then we get some feedback. So according to what your answer was, or what your question type was, the feedback may differ. So for a short answer question, this has to be edited manually by the instructor, and that's basically what it says down here, is that it has to be corrected by the instructor. But for some of the other types of questions, for example, the multiple multiples or multiple choice, depending on what your answer is, it's going to provide feedback about why that particular question was correct or incorrect. So that's useful for basically helping guide the learner. In terms of creating these types of tests, we'll go over that now. So you can edit your questions. So we'll go by basically clicking the pencil. If we edit this particular question, we can see that the question is, the answer is listed on one column, and then the comment associated with that question is listed on the other column. And then each question is provided a value, and it could also be a negative value as well, and then that goes into the total for the particular exam or quiz mark. So all the various question types are edited in that manner, and at the end, feedback can be provided to the instructor in terms of the performance on the quiz and how various students are doing. So again, useful information for not just the learner, but also for the instructor, and all of that facilitated by the system, by the Chemilo system.